Hey there viewers! Do you love eating mushrooms? Did you know that mushrooms are not only a good topping on your pizza or a wonderful addition to your omelet but also healthy for you? In today's video, we'll discuss the 12 health benefits of eating mushrooms. Mushrooms are a great source of micronutrients, improve gut health, boost the immune system, are packed with vitamin D, and can help deal with inflammation. But that's not all. Mushrooms can also help reduce the risk of depression, aid in weight loss, and promote healthy skin. So, let's dive into the details and discover how this plant of immortality can benefit your health in so many ways. Benefit number 12. Source of micronutrients. Mushrooms are not only tasty but also come packed with important micronutrients. They contain essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B, iron, potassium, and copper. In one study, it was found that you can meet your daily requirement of micronutrients by eating a serving of mushrooms every day. Mushrooms are low in calories and sodium, making them an excellent food choice for those trying to maintain a healthy diet. Benefit number 11. Improves gut health. Mushrooms are a good food to help you maintain good gut health. They contain a good amount of fiber and powerful prebiotics that promote good bowel movements while also helping your overall health. Another advantage of mushrooms is that their prebiotic properties can help people suffering from diabetes. Studies have shown that mushrooms, especially shiitake, can help the gut bacteria in your body and improve the production of insulin. Benefit number 10. Great for the immune system. Mushrooms contain compounds that can help activate your immune system on multiple levels. Beta-glucans found in mushrooms are bioactives that can work towards enhancing your immune system. These beta-glucans come with other advantages such as helping control your blood sugar levels and bringing down your risk of diabetes. Benefit number 9. Packed with vitamin D. Vitamin D is one of the more important nutrients you need in your diet, and mushrooms are a great way to get it. In one study, it was seen that more than 40% of adults in the US suffer from a deficiency of vitamin D. Research shows that mushrooms can provide anywhere between 50 to 100% of your body's daily vitamin D. Eating mushrooms can help avoid vitamin D deficiencies, which can cause you to feel tired all day and affect your bone health. Benefit number 8. Helps deal with inflammation. Mushrooms are packed with anti-inflammatory properties, and they also have a compound called selenium, which has antioxidant properties that can help fight inflammation. The beta-glucans present in mushrooms are also helpful in fighting inflammation. Oyster mushrooms have the most beta-glucans compared to other varieties of mushrooms. Benefit number 7. Reduces chances of depression. Mushrooms are one of those foods that can help reduce the risk of depression. Research has shown that certain compounds found in mushrooms, such as ergothioneine and glutathione, can help prevent oxidative stress, which is known to be linked to depression. Benefit number 6. Aids in weight loss. Mushrooms can also help with weight loss. They are low in calories and fat, making them an excellent food choice for people trying to lose weight. They also contain a lot of fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied for longer periods, reducing your overall calorie intake. Benefit number 5. Promotes healthy skin. Mushrooms contain a lot of antioxidants that help fight free radicals, which can damage your skin cells. These antioxidants can help slow down the aging process. Benefit number 4. May aid weight loss. If you're trying to lose weight, adding mushrooms to your diet may be helpful. They are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied for longer periods. Additionally, mushrooms are a good source of protein, which is important for maintaining muscle mass while losing weight. Benefit number 3. Good for heart health. Mushrooms contain compounds that can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve blood vessel function, all of which are important for heart health. In fact, research has shown that eating mushrooms can lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. Benefit number 2. Improve brain function. Mushrooms are a good source of B vitamins, which are important for brain function. Additionally, they contain ergothioneine, a compound that has been shown to protect brain cells from oxidative stress and may have a role in preventing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Benefit number 1. Reduce risk of type 2 diabetes. Mushrooms have a low glycemic index, which means they don't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Additionally, some varieties of mushrooms, like shiitake, have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. And if you have any suggestions for future topics, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.